Hello everyone, this is Erfan from mylifetribe.com and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about a software called ShopZpresso, which is pretty cool. This is kind of different from all of the products that I already reviewed in the last videos, and it has a lot of features. I'll show you how you can use it and how you can profit a lot from this. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified immediately. So stay tuned and I'll get back to you. So welcome back, guys. Now it's the time to get into the review. So I want to start that with this page, which is the explanation about ShopZpresso. What is ShopZpresso? ShopZpresso is pretty much like Shopify, if you're already familiar with, is that you can have your own store and sell as many products as you want. It depends on your niche. It can be whatever you want. ShopZpresso is pretty much the same. It's a three-in-one shop builder. And what you can do in this software is kind of different because you can sell digital, physical, and software licenses. It's totally cloud-based. You don't have to download anything. You just need to log into your accounts and simply use the store and sell your own products, which is so simple. And it has a lot of advantages. One of them was, as I already told you, you can sell physical, digital software products. You can, and all of them can be done with only one click. And you can import thousands of products. You are not limited to only a few of them. There are thousands of products. You simply choose whatever you want. You can get free traffic from affiliates. So what does it mean? So it means that you can have your own affiliate system that you can invite people, give them their affiliate links, and they can promote your products. And you can give them some commission. It can be 30%, it can be 10%, whatever you want. And it's a total passive income for you. If you want to use this platform inside this software, that would be amazing. And that's an extra thing that you can count on. You can easily make $100 to $500 a day if you use it properly. It's totally newbie friendly. That no tech skills needed and no staff needed. It's completely you. And every internet marketer needs this if you want to sell something. So this guy is a creator of this product, Moshberry. And this product is his fifth product, if I'm not wrong. And it's been very successful, had a lot of sales, because he really worked hard on this one, especially because it's a really big store. It's called Mega Store, and you can do pretty much everything in that. And yeah, this is a creator of that. And so who is this product for? So I would say that ShopZpresso is almost for everyone who wants to do marketing, no matter what business or niche you are in. And if you really need passive income, this is the software that you want to go for. So they made it so simple and powerful to anyone. Of course, I already explained to you. And if you wanna see how the members area looks like, you can simply watch the video in my bonus page. I put a video of the members area in my bonus page. The link is down below in the description. You can simply click on that and you'll get redirected to my bonus page. I get into it myself and I show you my customized bonuses. So I think for this product, you will get a lot of bonuses. They already prepared 7 bonuses, and I have my own bonuses, which are 5. So you will get 12 bonuses, guys, with this product. So I will show you what they are. So how will this product benefit you? So there are two main reasons. There are 15 reasons that this product would benefit you, and you can find them in the sales page, but I just took a screenshot of 2. The first thing is that you can launch your own mega store in less than 60 seconds. You can sell physical, digital, and software licenses. I mean, physical products and digital products and software licenses. It's pretty easy, and you can import thousands of products, as I already told you. So let's dive into my bonus page, guys. So because I'm so excited to show you what my customized bonuses are, I spent a lot of time to gather them around and customize them for you, and you can simply get them for no cost. So this is the demo video of this product. If you want to watch the members area, you can simply watch this video. So my first bonus is the chatbot revolution. So this is pretty cool because if you own your website or your online store, this chatbot software, or we can say application, can help you to support your customers without you to do anything. So you can simply download this plugin, and just let it flow, and it can help the customers. You can give it some manual uh, words or even actions, and based on that, this bot can help the customer and learn the very best tools for creating your own custom chatbot without any programming knowledge. You can uncover how to get more sales by offering e-commerce directly in your chatbot window. And you will also find out the secrets to saving time and money using easy automated chatbots. It's so easy. I know you've already seen the chatbot in different websites, and you can simply have your own for absolutely no cost. This is going to be free for you. So the second bonus is going to be Google Display Network hacks, guys. So if you want to run a Google ad to promote your products, if you want to expand your products, if you want to be in front of more people, this course is going to help you a lot to show you how to use Google Display Network properly. And I'm sure that you know what it is. It means that if you already seen it. If you go to any website and you're scrolling down, you're reading your article, and you suddenly see an advertisement on your right side, it can be so many different things. It depends on your search. This is what Google Display Network is. And if you know how to use that, that would be amazing, guys. And your click-through rates are going to go to the roof. So the third bonus is find your niche, which is the most important bonus, guys. This is customized by myself, exactly the same as the previous ones. It shows you the step-by-step guide to finding your niche so you can stand out and create success faster. It's a video tutorial, and there are, I think, 8 or 9 modules, and you can simply watch those videos and learn how to find your niche in the best way, because you want to stand out in this business and you don't want to give up in the middle of the process. So this bonus can be really helpful for you to find your niche in the best way. So the fourth bonus is SEO and ranking tracking tactics. So it's really helpful, guys. I know you already know what SEO is, search engine optimization, to help you to rank on Google or different search engines like Bing, Google, YouTube, or the other search engines. All of them are the same, have the same algorithm, and if you know how to use that, that would be amazing. So you will learn why keeping regular track of your search rankings is more vitally important than you think. You can discover the secrets to automating your search rank tracking with the best tools available. You can uncover how you can track all your keyword rankings without having to check manually all the time. You can also find out the secrets to finding out your true positions in the SERPs for any keyword. So it's all about the keywords tutorial. The value of that is $69, guys. It should have been more than that. I mean, of course, you will get it absolutely for free after purchasing your product. You will get all of the bonuses immediately right after your purchase. And you will get some idea about SEO as well. So the last bonus is social media hacks, guys. It's a simple step-by-step guide that will show you how to build a loyal following on social media. This is pretty cool, guys, and it's customized by myself. It means that you will know how to use social media to attract more people to your sales page or funnel or whatever, and how you can put yourself in front of more people it can be by uploading more contents, by uploading more valuable contents, or you will know how to post, how to upload your Instagram post or Pinterest post the way you attract people. So this is kind of functional too if you want to run an ad on social media, or if you want to have your own account. So you will get 5 bonuses which are customized by myself, guys. And as I said, you can simply click on the link down below in the description. You will get redirected to this page, and you can simply have all of the bonuses 100% free of charge. So, and after you purchase a product, you will see this page if it's a Warrior Plus, and if you click on this blue button here, you will get access to your bonuses immediately, guys. So this is my bonuses that I already talked about. And so now let's get into the price of that. So how much is this product? So this product, the front end is $19. So it means that the whole program, the whole software is $19, guys. And imagine how much you can earn after that. So it means that you can access the powerful ShopZpresso software and training modules. There are some trainings included inside the software. If you want to see how the members area look like, just simply watch the video in my bonus page. So the first upsell is $197. The second upsell is $67, which is endless profits. The third one is white label, which is $997. The fourth one is unlimited. I think it's a kind of a tutorial, or it's an extra tool to allow you to use it for your store. The fifth upsell is done for you traffic, $57, and the sixth one is reseller, which is $197. So these are the upsells, and the main price is only $19, guys, with 12 different bonuses. So I showed you my 5 bonuses. Now let me show you the bonuses that the vendor will give you after purchasing this product. So if you scroll down to the sales page here, you can see the bonuses. All of them are listed here. The first one is 10x profits, paid traffic free for life, access to private beta tester group, unlimited premium content generator software, royal bonus, buyer traffic masterclass, automatic tube traffic software, which is about YouTube. So I like the 7th bonus because it's gonna talk about how to use YouTube. It's amazing, guys. It's the second biggest search engine in the world. If you can use it, and if you use it for your product, it's gonna skyrocket your profit, guys. Believe me, it's insane. So I think I pretty much covered everything here. I already showed you the sales page. I already showed you the price, how much it is. So I showed you the bonuses, all of them. So a lot of people ask me whether it's guaranteed or not. So I decided to take a screenshot and put it here for you guys. So they have a 30-day money back guarantee, but it's not a no question asked refund. So if you want to get your money back, they're going to ask you some questions, and you need to have some valid reason for requesting your money back. And because they said that their team has a 99% proven record of solving customer problems and helping them through any issues they have, they're extremely safe, and their purchase is protected. You can just simply read it here. So, but they have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you feel it is not gonna, I'm sure that it will work for you because everything is done already, and you just need to import everything by one click. And you can, if you want to sell digital products, if you want to sell physical products, if you want to sell licenses, you can do pretty much everything there. So how to get us started? So if you want to get us started with this program, guys, don't forget to get my bonuses first. And I just put the link down below in the description. You get access. You will get access to my bonus page with the members area demo video, and you can simply get them immediately after your purchase. Everything is done for you guys. I think I covered everything. If you have any questions, just comment leave your comments down below, or you can send me an email. It's erfan@mylifetribe.com. If you have any questions regarding to your bonuses, just let me know, guys. Please, I would glad to help you, and see you in the next video. Take care.